Hello everyone, welcome to Study with Roma. This channel is created to help students, parents, or anyone interested to learn math. Since this is our first episode, let me tell you how this channel started. I am a sister of a 6th grader here in the Philippines and I am assisting him with his math lessons. Then my mom told me, why not share your knowledge to others? So I created a Facebook page and now I am on YouTube so viewers can repeat the videos and learn at their own pace. Now let's get started. We will talk about fraction, similar fractions, dissimilar fractions, least common denominator, and converting dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. Fraction represents a part of a whole. 1/2 is an example of a fraction. 1 is called the numerator, and 2 is what we call the denominator. When we say similar fractions, that means we have 2 or more fractions with same denominators. For example, 1/6, 2/6, and 5/6. All these have 6 as denominator. On the other hand, dissimilar fractions are 2 or more fractions with different denominators. For example, 2/3, 3/4, and 5/6. 3, 4, and 6 are not the same. Again, these are dissimilar fractions. Do you know that dissimilar fractions can be changed into similar fractions? Let's study how. Here is our set of dissimilar fractions. 2/3, 3/4, and 5/6. Our aim is for the three fractions to have same denominators to make them similar fractions. So step 1, find the least common denominator or LCD. LCD is the least common multiple of given numbers used as denominator. Let us find the LCD or least common multiple of 3, 4, and 6 by listing their multiples. Multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, and so on. Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, and so on. And multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. As you can see, 12 and 24 are common multiples of 3, 4, and 6. There are actually other common multiples aside from 12 and 24, but we only need the least or the smallest. That is why it is called least common denominator. Therefore, the LCD of 3, 4, and 6 is 12. After finding the LCD, let's move on to step 2. Changing dissimilar fractions to similar fractions. Again, our aim is for the three fractions to have same denominators to make them similar fractions. We will be using the idea of equivalent fractions. For 2/3 to have a denominator of 12, multiply 3 by 4. Remember that if you multiply a number to the denominator, do the same to the numerator, so multiply 2 as well by 4. 2 times 4 equals 8 and 3 times 4 equals 12. 2/3 can now be written as 8/12. Let's do the same for 3/4. We need a denominator of 12, the LCD, so we will multiply the numerator and the denominator by 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. 4 times 3 equals 12. 3/4 can now be written as 9/12. Lastly, 5/6. To change this into a fraction with 12 as denominator, multiply the numerator and the denominator by 2. 5 times 2 equals 10. 6 times 2 is 12. We can now write 5/6 as 10/12. We now turned the dissimilar fractions 2/3, 3/4, and 5/6 to similar fractions, which is 8/12, 9/12, and 10/12. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more math lessons. See you next time. Bye!